3 important features you need to turn on your YouTube Studio app so YouTube can start recommending your videos to viewers. By the time you turn on these particular features, YouTube is going to understand what your channel is all about. They're going to know your niche, and this will help also increase your views on your videos, push out your content to your target audience, to your viewers, to people that are interested in your kind of videos. And this particular features is going to give you that particular 1,000 subscribers that you're looking for. And if you are a new YouTuber, you need to watch this video till the end, because this is one of the tips that our big YouTubers, that big content creators are using here on YouTube. First thing you need to do is to download YouTube Studio app. This app is going to give you different options when you want to upload your YouTube video. The next thing is go to your Chrome and type studio.youtube.com. This particular site is going to make you see your studio as if you are using a laptop to view your YouTube studio. That's why we are using this particular site, to check out these settings and turn on these particular settings. Now, after opening your studio on your Chrome, you click on settings. Click on settings, and after that you clicked on channel. That's what you are going to do. You click on your channel and it's going to open the interface for you. Next, you need to go to your feature eligibility and enable everything in this particular aspect. Enable every single thing. The next thing is to go to the basic info and put in the country where you reside. And after that, you go to the tags and impute keyword on your niche. Let's say you are talking about gaming. You put in keywords that relate with gaming, so YouTube can push out your content to your viewer, so YouTube can understand what your content is all about. You can even impute name of a popular YouTuber in that your niche, so YouTube can easily understand what you are trying to say on your tag. Your tag is very important because it is what YouTube use to understand what your channel is all about. Put in keywords, put in names of popular YouTubers in your niche, and make sure you optimize your tag very well, because this is what will help you to push out your content to your viewers, to people that are interested in your kind of content. Then after that, you need to save your tag. And the next and final thing we'll be talking about is you have to go back to Chrome. Then you are going to search youtube.com/verify. Now you want to know if you have verified your account with YouTube. Verifying your account with YouTube simply means you are confirming your identity with YouTube. So YouTube will know the owner of this particular account. Yes, this is it. My account is verified, and this is the 3 step. So after watching this video, I hope you are able to turn on the right settings on your YouTube channel, and also make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more YouTube tips.